Hey, this is Ryan from Web Eminence with question number 12 in my series WeAsk.tv. You're probably wondering why I'm also recording on my phone. Well, I'm actually going to record this quick video on my phone so I can use it in this tutorial. And you'll understand why when you listen to this question from Charlie.
Hi, Ryan. My name is Charlie. I have a website that I'm working with a psychologist, and she wants to leave a message on her website, a video message. I know there's ways you can do it, but I'd like to know how and how much money it would cost me to have you do it.
So it's a pretty basic question that Charlie's asking, just putting video on a website. I've done a couple other videos on how to embed YouTube videos on your website, and even how to upload videos to YouTube before you put them on your website. So I'll link to those videos, but I thought it'd be useful to go through this really basic question and show you step by step how I would quickly record a video on my phone, because that's probably the easiest way to do it considering everybody's got a smartphone these days. Upload it to YouTube and then embed it on your website. So now that I've got that video recorded, I'm actually using an Android phone. I'm going to show you how I would go and upload it to YouTube. If you have an iPhone, it's obviously going to be a little bit different, but it should be a similar process. On Android, I'm just going to click the share button, select YouTube, and if you have an Android phone, you already have Google accounts, so it's going to be a little different again on iPhone, but it's pretty simple on here. I'm just going to name this and then click upload, and it's going to start uploading the video. And it's a short video, so it should upload quick. That's all I'm going to do on my phone. From here, I'm going to go to YouTube on my computer to grab this video, and I'll show you the rest on the screen. Okay, so now I'm on my computer, and I'm just going to open a browser and go to youtube.com. And you're going to have to make sure that you're on the same account that you uploaded to on your phone, the same YouTube account. So you might have different Google accounts. If you're not in the right account, you can click the icon up in the top right to switch accounts. I know this is the right account, so I'm going to click on that icon, go to YouTube Studio, and then click on videos, and you should see all your YouTube videos, including the last one you uploaded. If you don't see it here, you're having trouble, there's another option. When you're on your phone, once it's done uploading, you could just share the YouTube link and maybe email it to yourself so that you can go to your computer and then continue the process from there. I have the video right here on my computer though, so I'm going to just click on it. So we want to get the embed code, so I'm actually going to click on this video link here to open the main video page on YouTube. And this is the easiest way to find the embed code, because you can click share and then click embed, and it's going to give you this code here with a few options. So I'm going to select this whole iframe code, they call it, and click copy. Control C to copy, or right click and then copy. And then I'm just going to log into a website, just a WordPress website in this case, to show you how I would do it. There's a few ways to do it in the WordPress editor. I can go to add block, type in HTML to find the custom HTML widget, or whatever they call it, and then I'm going to paste in that iframe. A lot of website builders will have some type of YouTube widget. A lot of website builders like Weebly, Squarespace, Wix are going to have that. WordPress has it as well, and it's under embeds. I can click on YouTube, and actually it looks like I can just go grab the URL of my video, so I could have gone back to here and just copied that video link, paste it in here, click embed. It's going to put that video in there. So now I'll probably have the video twice. If I preview this page, you'll see my video embed and then the WordPress widget here as well. So now I got that video right on my website. You can really do this in as little as 5 minutes, probably less, depending on how long your video is, of course. If it's a longer file, it's going to take longer to upload. But this is a basic answer to your question of how to get a video message on your website. Again, I'm recommending YouTube. There's probably other ways to do it. You could just upload a video file right from your phone to your website, but that could cause issues if it's a large file. And I explained why in my other video about using YouTube to embed videos. So I'll go ahead and link to that video so you can continue watching there, and we'll see you on that video.